Hi, I'm Danielle Jakes, registered dietitian, bringing you your Glucolite 60-second health news you can use. Today we're going to take a closer look at a driving factor in lifestyle. We're going to focus on what you eat. Obesity rates are continuing to rise, and along with obesity, the main factor for high blood sugar and potentially diabetes is a continual high sugar intake. High sugar foods would include eating things like sweets and refined white flours. By that I mean white breads, donuts, muffins, pastries, high sugar cereals, but it also includes foods like white rice and pasta. There are 24 million Americans that have been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, and there's another 57 million Americans that have a condition referred to as prediabetes or insulin resistance. In order to be on a more healthful journey, we're going to start taking a look at what most people eat in the morning. There's a couple problems with the standard American breakfast. First, it's high in refined carbs. That promotes both diabetes and obesity. It's low in fiber, it's high in hydrogenated oils, and it contains higher density calories that affect the pancreas, and it also promotes insulin resistance over time. Americans have acclimated to starting off the day with starches and processed meats, and they consume very little, if any, high fiber fruits or vegetables at breakfast. Carbohydrates make your blood glucose levels go up. So the more carbohydrates you eat, the higher your blood sugar will go up. You need to avoid the high carb, low nutrition foods if you want to maintain stable glucose metabolism. With that, I'm Danielle Jakes, and this is your Glucolite 60-second health news you can use tip for today. Thanks for coming along. For more information, you can log on to our website at www.glucolite.com.